As far as the S&P, shout out to anyone who watched last night's video and made money. Because if you did, I wish Cody was in here right now. Because I'd give him crap because he still tried to short that zone. Even though last night I said we'd probably find some sellers here at the type two. Yeah, we did find a few. But I said don't short at that zone. I said don't short here and don't buy here because whichever zone we hit next, we're breaking through. We ran it all the way up into that zone. Bull flag a reversal. Interesting. If tomorrow's red, I'm going to go long over the weekend. If tomorrow's green, I don't know if tomorrow's green, I might go short over the weekend actually, and I'll do that with just puts, something risk and capital style, because we're just so close to just tagging that all time highs. But we had a pretty great run up, so take profit Friday would just fit right in. Hopefully, if we were to pull back, it's somewhere in this region right here. As a matter of fact, if we pulled back into that and that's where Friday's close was, I would go long over the weekend. So let's
What
see. Did
about tonight?
we? Oh, yeah, just shy of the expected move. NASDAQ. So we had the same conversation last night, or at least I did. Breaking. Well, we talked about these two zones. Same thing. Jumped right into that next zone right there. Finally got rid of the lower high situation that was building up.
Do you still think that all-time highs is going to be the rug pull?
No, no, we're not just gonna hit all time highs and then crash. But I think we're gonna get up there. Uh, I think we're waiting on an unemployment report. That's what I'm thinking, or inflation. So I just think as we do hit all time highs, this is like with Upstart in the growth count. This is the time to, and maybe if you have sold calls, let them go. You know, if they're in the money, or if you just have a position that's up, this is the time, especially if you're in margin, to just be closing some things out, trimming all the fat. And that's likely what I'll be doing. What about tonight? Long ES. I mean, it's in a zone. So you would just be long or short, bull flag or reversal. I would. It would be interesting if we were green overnight. I wonder if tomorrow would be like a lunchtime turnaround situation. I mean, ooh, gosh, you're hitting that's a zone play to just go short. I think I'd wait till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, and if we're still here overnight, then I would go long. But I'm kind of hoping for a take profit Friday. The thing is it's moving and grooving. It's doing just fine. So to just jump in short on that particular one could get you some unnecessary trouble. Same with the NASDAQ. Grandpa Dow today went just zone to zone. So what, did everything just jump up and hit a zone today? Man, maybe it's gonna be a take profit Friday. Now this one probably I think looks the strongest out of most of them because that's kind of a bull pennant right there. I just hate saying going. I hate saying going long as we hit a zone from the bottom. Russell didn't quite make it down there, but jumped up also into a zone. I could probably short the Russell just fine with the stop above that red wick.